The Infinix Note 11 Pro, which is the last member from the Infinix Note family, even though it was released in November 2021, which hopefully we will be seeing another Note series this year. The Infinix Note 11 Pro comes with some great features and specifications, which is priced at $250 and translates to 138,000 naira in Nigeria. Here in this video are my top 11 features of the Infinix Note 11 Pro. So try to stick to the end. Also, let me know your best feature in the comment section below. So what's up guys, my name is Derek, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, you're welcome as well. So without wasting much of your time, grab your popcorn and let's get started. The display of the Infinix Note 11 Pro is a very huge ultra fluid display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 180Hz touch sampling rate on a 6.95 inches IPS Full HD Plus display, which makes this device a very big one. The display is very smooth and responsive during gameplay, which gives you a very massive experience. Honestly, I really love the design of the Infinix Note 11 Pro. It reminds me of my old Infinix Note 5 from 2018. The build quality is made of plastic, which is very durable. I like the way they made it look, most especially at the back, with a nice frosted finish and the beautifully designed camera module. The Infinix Note 11 Pro comes with triple camera setup. They include the 64 megapixel as the main lens, the 13 megapixel for telephoto and 2 megapixel for depth on the right part. Please let's just focus on the 64 megapixel and the 13 megapixel alone. Thank you. At the front, you get a 16 megapixel single in display camera that still takes nice selfies and shoots video at 1080p resolution. I really love the pictures taken with the Note 11 Pro, and the telephoto lens also did great job. Here are some extra pictures and videos samples from the Note 11 Pro. It only shoots video at 2K, which is a 1440p resolution. I wish it could take 4K, that would have been very perfect. This is one other feature that makes it unique and I like it very much. The ability to expand the given RAM in this phone from your internal memory. At the moment, you only get 8GB RAM on the Note 11 Pro, but can still add an extra 3GB from the 128GB of internal storage given to you to get more speed. The thing is that I didn't see any option that can allow us do this. Maybe they might release a software update for us so I can be able to do it, or maybe the phone might dictate when it's getting slow and brings up an option which allows you to increase your RAM. Coupled with the RAM, the Note 11 Pro is powered with a MediaTek Helio G96 and a Mali G57 as the GPU. Gaming on this device was such an awesome experience thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. The device comes with its own artificial intelligence called folax. She's a Nigerian lady from the 6 geopolitical zones. I heard she has brown skin and she helps to handle tasks on the Note 11 Pro, and so far she's been doing well. You can tell her to call mom, open a message app and send the text to someone and she will do it, but don't tell her to cook for you because she can't cook. Multitasking has become something that is much fun nowadays in most smartphones, and the Infinix Note 11 Pro is not an exception because they made it a bit easy and fun to use with simple gestures of having to swipe up with 3 fingers in any app to make a floating window while using another app. The feature is great, but I didn't get to use it that much unless on some occasions, so I thought it would be nice to point it out and mention it on this video. This is just like another form of temporal privacy kind of a thing, so that someone who is sitting beside you won't be able to see what you are doing at a certain distance. It is a gray-like cover which lets you cover some part of your screen. It also allows you to adjust which part to focus on. The Infinix Note 11 Pro has the necessary ports which you will need on a daily basis. Looking at the trend nowadays, most smartphone manufacturers are now dumping the 3.5mm earphone jack for a wireless earbud, but Infinix still left it on the Note 11 Pro, which I really like, and users will still prefer to have it on their device. The Infinix Note 11 Pro is equipped with a dual stereo speakers which are tuned by DTS sound. I love the bass and clear vocals the speaker produces. It also gives you the ability to go into the equalizer and select the mode you prefer in the DTS app. The fingerprint sensor is mounted on the power button at the side of the device for security. I like how responsive it is when unlocking the device. It also gives you the flexibility to set it up for some extra tasks. The Infinix Note 11 Pro is a good powerhouse which can go up to 1.5 day under adaptive refresh rate. It packs a 5000 mAh battery which will still run down on a heavy usage, but Infinix added a 33 watt charger to juice it up faster and keep you online and connected. That's all for my top 11 features of the Infinix Note 11 Pro, and let me know in the comment section your best feature of the Infinix Note 11 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, kindly smash the like button and don't forget to click that subscribe button and bell icon this side to always get notified whenever I post a new video. You can click on the video right here to watch my review on the Transmart Battle Gaming earbuds, or click on this video right here to watch my review on the first Infinix laptop. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.